Hello everyone. I hope you had a great experience working on section 1, which focused on data visualization. But the reality is that when you're working in the corporate, data visualization comes much later. The first part of the entire process is to prepare the data. Hence, we use a term called data prep or data preparation. And for that, we have a tool called Power Query. Let's have a look and see what the tool offers. Power Query is a Microsoft product, and at its core, it is an ETL tool, which allows you to extract, transform, and load the data. So Power Query is not quite like Excel. It is available on Excel as well, something I'll be discussing later. And it is also not just like SQL. It's a little different to that. Power Query essentially is a tool that allows you to connect to hundreds of data sources. You can even build your own connectors. It gives you hundreds of data preparation tools inbuilt in it, including AI-based transformations. And the best part is you don't have to learn any coding. While Power Query does use a different language called M, for the basic user, you don't actually have to learn the language, even though in this course, we will be discussing the language a little bit. The other good part is that Power Query is not exclusive to Power BI. It also works on other Microsoft products. So it works on Power BI, it works on Excel, on CDS, on Power Automate, and on SQL Server Analysis Services. The good part here is that you're learning a tool which will help you learn multiple Microsoft platforms at the same time. Power Query, as I mentioned before, allows you not just to connect to Excel files, but to various other connectors, including databases, cloud connectors, etc. And the language that we're using in Power Query is called the M language. You can see that the entire documentation for Power Query and the M language reference has been given here. You will find the links on my PowerPoint as well. And if you click on these links, this is the entire official Microsoft documentation talking about the Power Query M language in a lot of detail.